How to fix Facebook ads error. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly and open apps option. Here as you see, we found all the applications that you have already on your phone. Search only for Facebook. Open Facebook then and click on storage option. Now click on the last button, clear data. Click OK and then back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go back to your home page of your phone and go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated. After this your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.